Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Unusual Option Activity and Earnings Report for October 9th, 2012. First, let's talk about the ES Minis and talk about how they traded today. And I'm going to put this on a 5-minute bar. So, before the huge sell-off, we have to zone it out a little bit. We opened up this morning at 1450. We had the high of the day at 1451 within the first hour. In the first hour, we had a very, very tight trading range. We had the low at 1447, the high at 1451. There's an old trade that says, after the first hour is established, if we have a tight trading range, most likely we will double it. So, selling 2 ticks below the low, or buying 2 ticks above the high and having your stop right there. So I sold 2 ticks below the low established in the first hour. So I sold 1446 halves. I took profits all the way down, and I had a stop at 1452. We sold off really hard. We actually were in the sold off to 1435.25, which was the low of the day within the last 5 minutes of the day. So sold off really hard, a 16-point range today. Let's look at value areas for tomorrow. Point of control, 1439 half. This is where the most volume traded in the day. As you can see, as the end part of the day at 1440 level, we got a lot of volume there. Value area low. Where did the buyers come into the market? The buyers came into the market around 1435 half. Where did the sellers came in? The sellers came in right around this 1443. As you can see, right at this 1443 candle, we sold off very hard. So that is your value area high, value area low, and your point of control. 2 trades for earnings I was talking about. One Alcoa. I am long the weekly 9, 8.5 put spread for 10 cents. I'm risking $10 per one lot, and I can make $40 per one lot. So 4-to-1 risk versus reward payout in Alcoa. Yum Brands. I didn't do anything in this trade, but I was talking about selling the 65, 62.5 bull credit put spread and selling the 70, 72.5 bear call spread for credit. Doing this for 90 cents total, risking $160 to make $90 in Yum. It did sell off towards the end of the day, so I didn't put anything on, but I was talking about this, and this would have been a profitable trade. Tomorrow we have Costco, and Costco I was talking about selling the 100 straddle, which is selling the 100 calls, selling the 100 puts, buying the 95, 105 strangle, buying the 95 puts, buying the 105 calls. This would be an iron condor for earnings. So I did 3 earnings plays in the room. In Costco I did 4 ways to play, as most people do enjoy that. One unusual option activity I want to talk about today, NRG. Paper came and bought the Nove 25 calls for 35 cents. Stock was trading 23.30 at the time. Stock did sell off a little bit, but still held this 23.10. The stock is on fire, trading at a 52-week high. One more I want to look at, PII. I talked about in the live trading room. Paper came in, and they bought the PII OC 80 puts for $1.75. I was talking about buying them for $1.80. Stock sold off really hard, got down to 81.40. This is probably good for about 50% gain within the course of a couple hours. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Remember, if you want to watch me trade unusual option activity, earnings trades, and trade of the day, real-time, real money, equity, options, futures, and forex, you can email Andrew at KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Thanks, guys, and we'll run it back tomorrow.